So this is what I just created. It's a script that helps you to verify your skills before you take the RHCSA exam. So how does it work? You take my sample exam, and once you are done, you run my script. So live mini exam grade.sh is a script that I just created, and that is going to evaluate your work. It's telling you what went right, and it's also giving you what didn't go well. And based on these advices, hopefully you can find out what you still need to improve. And then the thing you all want to know, did we or didn't we pass? Well, before going there, you press enter to get a short overview of everything that didn't go well, and then you press enter and you did not pass this final mini test. So that's how my script is going to help you getting ready. And if the script isn't giving you the results that you are looking for, feel free to join my RHCSA video course or live class on O'Reilly. Hope to see you there.